Welcome in, it's Kaylin from CTAC Lighting and Controls, inviting you to enjoy another installment of our Lowdown on Lockdown series. Watch your step. Today we'll be reviewing the Flex Lighting Solutions Essentials High Bay 4.0. This is Flex's most popular product and very highly awarded in the LED high bay category. Just a little over a year ago, the Essentials High Bay was the most awarded LED high bay of the year, as you can see in that below graphic. You're looking at a ton of features and benefits with this high bay, including lumen packages ranging from 6,000 all the way up to 73,000 lumens. Your efficacy is also a huge plus, especially in the market here. We're getting up to 168 lumens per watt, which is a rare find in the linear high bay category. Your long life rating is L70 at over 300,000 hours, and your high temp rating is up to 65 degrees Celsius, which is approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Arguably, the largest selling point about the Flex Essentials 4.0 High Bay are the rotatable optics. You can rotate those optics from 0 degrees to a set screw at 45 degrees, then 90 degrees, all the way up to 135 degrees in rotation. So if you need to spread that light out a little differently, or even if you want some uplight, you now have the option to do that in the field. Another added bonus of the Essentials Series High Bay is that it has 3 separate lines on this specific high bay. So if you're like many of us and commitment freaks you out a little bit, you've got options here. First off, we got the value line, which is your good option, the standard line being your better option, and the performance line being your best option. And that's where you're getting that 168 lumens per watt efficacy that we spoke about earlier. The Essentials High Bay has multiple different form factors based on the lumen packages. So your 2ms, 4ms, and 6ms, the S standing for short, are 23 inches in length. However, the width is going to change based on how many LED bars you're adding to get those lumen packages. So for instance, the 2ms is 8 inches versus the 6ms, which is 14 inches in width. Same with the 2M, 4M, and the 6M, except they're 44 inches in length, longer LED bars. And to go from a 2M to a 6M, you're going from 8 inches again to 14 inches in width. You've also got multiple mounting options with the Essentials series, including CRM, which is their standard cable-ready mount, a fixture mounting box, as well as surface mount. Here's an illustration of the different light distributions among the form factors with a clear lens. So starting on the left there, you can see we're 0 degree rotation on those rotatable optics. And you're all the way from the 2M down to the 6M, 6MS. It's all pretty uniform. However, as you start adding light bars and changing the optics and the rotation, so for instance, you keep going right along that chart, you can see how different that light distribution is going to come out. To the right on the top there, you have the top of the Essentials Series High Bay, as well as a picture of a high bay with a sensor mounted onto it. Well, it's not quite a G6, however, it is a nice private Learjet there. So you can see how the Essentials High Bay looks in a hangar type application, as well as a warehouse to your right. That's with the aisle lighter option on the distribution. And here's a few snippets taken right from the Essentials Series cut sheet where you can see all the options and accessories available. Keep in mind, there are a lot more options on the cut sheet, so feel free to visit flexlightingsolutions.com and check it out, including like 18 different options for cords and plugs. Here on this screen, though, you can see some of the most popular accessories I outlined, including emergency battery packs. You can add a GTD on the left there. Accessories like the cable kit are common, as well as extending that 5-year warranty to a 10-year labor warranty in the middle. And to the right, you can see all the different occupancy sensor options, all depending on the mounting height and whatnot. Just as a friendly reminder, we did just update our website at ctaclighting.com. If you visit that homepage on the top right, you'll see a Seattle stock link. If you click on that, that's a weekly updated list of what stock we currently have in the Sumner warehouse. And again, it's Kaylin from CTAC coming to you from beautiful Federal Way, Washington. Hoping you found this valuable on the Flex Essentials Series High Bay. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or your local CTAC salesperson. We will make sure you're taken care of. Thank you.